Hi everyone. Today we're showcasing the top 5 best HDMI cables for 4K streaming available in the market. If you want prices or more details, check the links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at Highwings HDMI cable. The Highwings 8K Ultra High Speed HDMI cable sets a new standard in display technology, supporting 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz. It delivers crystal clear visuals and precise signal processing, capturing every detail with stunning accuracy. With a 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, this cable ensures smooth, uninterrupted video playback, eliminating dropped frames, and is fully backward compatible with HDMI 2.0b/2.0/1.4/1.3/1.2/1.1. Gamers will appreciate the variable refresh rate support, enabling super smooth 4K at 120 Hz visuals and fully utilizing the potential of modern GPUs and CPUs. Crafted with reinforced military-grade nylon and upgraded anti-bending connectors, it guarantees long-lasting durability and flexibility. Every component undergoes rigorous laboratory testing, resulting in a cable that combines cutting-edge performance, reliability, and design excellence. For enthusiasts who demand flawless visuals and durability, the Highwings 8K HDMI cable is the ultimate choice. Now our second product is Silklan certified HDMI 2.1 cable. The HDMI 2.1 certified cable is a powerhouse for gamers and home theater enthusiasts, with only 1% of cables on the market achieving official certification. Scan the included QR code for verification and enjoy peace of mind with guaranteed performance. Gamers can push consoles and PCs to the limit with smooth 4K at 120 Hz for PS5/Xbox and ultra-responsive 4K at 144 Hz for PC, delivering unrivaled fluidity in gameplay. Built with exclusive E-braid technology, double-layer fishnet winding, nylon braiding, copper cores, and ferrite beads ensure durability and uninterrupted signals, eliminating flicker and blackouts. With 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, this cable supports resolutions from 2K at 240 Hz up to 10K 8K at 60 Hz, along with dynamic HDR and immersive audio like DTS, X, and Dolby Atmos. For gamers, cinephiles, and creators, this HDMI 2.1 cable guarantees exceptional clarity, high-speed performance, and long-lasting reliability. Our third product is SnowKids 8K certified HDMI 2.1 cable. The SnowKids certified HDMI 2.1 cable delivers unmatched performance for both gaming and home entertainment. Fully HDMI 2.1 certified, it meets strict HDMI LA requirements and is backward compatible with HDMI 2.0 b divided by 2.0 divided by 1.4 divided by 1.3 divided by 1.2 divided by 1.1, ensuring seamless compatibility across devices. Equipped with 40 anti-slip HDMI secure strips, it protects connectors while maintaining stable, reliable connections. Supporting 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, 48-bit HDR, True HD 7.1, and advanced features like eARC, VRR, QFT, QMS, LLM, and DSC. This cable delivers crystal clear video and immersive audio. Its universal compatibility extends to HD TVs, monitors, laptops, PS5, Xbox, projectors, and more, making it ideal for home, office, or entertainment setups. Built with 24K gold-plated ports, military-grade tensile nylon, and SR flexible strength design, it withstands 25,000 bends while ensuring accurate signal transmission. With rigorous quality control, SnowKids guarantees a durable, high-performance HDMI 2.1 cable for long-term use. Now number 4, Cree HDMI cable. The Cree 15 feet certified 8K HDMI cable is designed for ultimate performance and future-proof connectivity. plug and play, and downward compatible with HDMI 2.0/1.4/1.3/1.2/1.1. It supports 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, 3D video, static and dynamic HDR, and advanced features like VRR, QMS, eARC, and multi-channel audio up to 1536 kHz. Built with full-core copper for layer shielding, PVB and nylon outer protection, 24K gold-plated connectors, and anti-interference tinplate. It minimizes signal loss and ensures stable, high-speed transmission. With 48 gigabits per second bandwidth and QFD fast frame technology, it delivers sharper images, vivid color, and flawless synchronization between audio and video. Gamers and cinephiles benefit from ultra-smooth visuals on PS5, Xbox, or RTX GPUs, with Dolby Panorama surround sound for an immersive experience. Crutree's 8K HDMI cable makes every frame clearer, every scene more realistic, and every game or movie more captivating. And our last choice is Uni USB-C to HDMI cable. The USB-C to HDMI cable offers a simple, reliable solution for connecting USB-C laptops and Android phones to HDMI-compatible displays, supporting up to 4K at 30 Hz resolution. With plug-and-play functionality, no extra software is required, making it ideal for presentations, streaming, or extending your desktop. Note that transmission is unidirectional from USB-C devices to HDMI displays only. Designed for durability, this cable features braided nylon, premium aluminum housing, and an indicator light, ensuring long-lasting performance and stable signal transmission. It supports a wide range of devices, including MacBooks, iPads, iMacs, and Samsung Galaxy smartphones with DisplayPort alternate mode enabled. Perfect for boosting productivity, it allows users to mirror or extend screens for office work, video editing, or media playback. The package includes one cable with an 18-month warranty and responsive 24/7 support, offering both reliability and peace of mind. So, what do you think about these products? If you found this video helpful and want easy decision-making tips, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.